So I've been racking my brain about this. When the shock compresses up, everything's hunky-dory. When it comes back, you hear a metal clanking sound. Now, if you keep the shock loose enough, that doesn't happen, but then you risk hitting the fender, which does happen because it's so loose. So I've been taking everything apart, trying different things, and I've found the issue. The issue is that the shock doesn't have any sort of dampening on the up. So for instance, if we loosen this a little, compresses, all good. When it comes back up, that's the noise I'm hearing. So good news is it's an easy fix. You get another shock, 150 millimeter shock. These holes are 8 millimeters in diameter, which I measured with a caliper. So that should correct your issue. You can probably go bigger than 150 based on what I measured here, maybe 165, but the 165 shocks handle more weight, so you're going to get a stiffer ride unless you're a bigger fella. So all to bear in mind. Hope this helps. Cheers.